The 2025 Urban Garden Revival: How City Dwellers Are Growing Big in Small Spaces. In recent years, the global trend towards sustainability has reshaped how people approach food, lifestyle, and even their relationship with nature. In 2025, the urban gardening movement is not just a hobby. It's a powerful statement of self-reliance and eco-consciousness. More people living in apartments or homes with small yards are embracing vertical gardening. Container growing and rooftop plots. These compact yet efficient garden solutions not only provide fresh produce, but also contribute to urban biodiversity and mental well-being. With tools like modular planters, grow bags, and wall-mounted vertical systems, urban gardening has become accessible to even the most space-restricted dwellers. The popularity of herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary in windowsills, combined with miniature tomato varieties, salad greens, and strawberries in stackable containers, has revolutionized balcony agriculture. Technology is playing a critical role in the success of urban gardens in 2025. The rise of smart gardening tools, such as app-controlled irrigation systems, soil sensors, and solar-powered LED grow lights, has enabled even beginners to monitor and maintain healthy crops with minimal effort. These digital assistants alert users to water shortages, light deficiencies, and optimal harvest times. Additionally, AI-based garden planning apps help users design their layouts based on sunlight, available space, and crop rotation principles. Social media communities have become hotspots for sharing success stories, troubleshooting issues, and swapping seeds. This digitally enhanced gardening ecosystem supports both hobbyists and serious growers in transforming concrete corners into green sanctuaries. As food prices continue to fluctuate and concerns about supply chains remain, people are turning to homegrown food not only for health benefits but also for economic reasons. A single square meter of well-managed garden space can produce several kilograms of vegetables per season. Leafy greens, radishes, green onions, and dwarf beans are among the fastest and most rewarding crops. Community garden plots, which surged during the pandemic years, are now integral parts of many urban neighborhoods. Residents exchange knowledge and harvests, forging stronger community ties and reducing food insecurity. Meanwhile, compact composting bins and worm farms have entered the mainstream, making zero-waste gardening an achievable goal. Aesthetics and mindfulness also drive the urban gardening trend in 2025. With people spending more time at home, garden design has taken a more artistic turn. Many are combining ornamental plants with edibles to create visually pleasing yet productive spaces. Colorful planters, trellised vines. For city dwellers, tending to a garden, no matter how small, has become a form of daily meditation. The act of watering, pruning, and harvesting offers a break from screen time and reconnects individuals with natural rhythms. In essence, urban gardening has evolved into a lifestyle, one that blends practicality with purpose and productivity with peace.